It's Accountech Bytes, rounding up the week in accounting technology with me, Tom Herbert, once again recording upstairs. Once again, problems with Loom, but you don't care about that. Let's get straight into the news from this week. And tech giant Thomson Reuters has announced the acquisition of Materia, a specialist in agentic AI for the tax, audit, and accounting profession. I think Thomson Reuters were early investors in Materia, so perhaps the move shouldn't come as too much of a surprise. Not a huge amount of detail as to what material is going to be used for in the Thomson Reuters suite, but it's definitely a direction of travel. Some more acquisition news now, and business banking app Tide has acquired payroll specialist OnFolk to create Tide Payroll. Tide CEO Oliver Prill saying small businesses can increasingly run their business almost entirely from a single intuitive app. Is this what you're seeing on the ground? More digital transformation woes from the UK local authority beat now, and this time it's Gloucestershire County Council's turn in the hot seat as they struggle to move from a legacy SAP system to the cloud version. Lindsay Clark with the story at the register there. And some more digital transformation news. And Cotton's group partner Emma Reed popped by the accounting tech repair shop to tell us a tale of how her firm helped out a steel products business that believed that despite having a £6 million turnover, they were too small for accounting software. Also had concerns that adopting accounting software would mean they had to take on specialist accounting staff. So thank you, Emma, for that. Onto some new stuff now, and I covered the launch of Nextly. So this was built by former accountant Maciej Grzesiczuk, who has built this AI solution that aims to assist accountants and auditors by automating much of the financial statement review and verification process. Onto Free Agent now, and an update to Free Agent Payroll means you can enable electronic notifications, i.e., changes to your employees' tax codes or student loans, in your HMRC tax account and then manage them within Free Agent. So this saves a bunch of time, a bunch of letters flying back and forth as well. Onto Dext now, and they shine the spotlight on their approvals feature that streamlines the approval of purchase invoices and receipts. More information on the link there. And from one company founded by Michael Wood to another, it's Translucent. So they've got news you can post missing intercompany journals into Zero from Translucent. So Translucent, the layer that kind of sits across multiple instances of cloud accounting software like Zero. Some more news now, and a new company, Concourse, is aiming to build AI into the automation of financial tasks. This is founded by an ex-investor at Andreas and Horowitz. Bit of Excel bashing before we get to what it actually does. Yes, the platform connects to a business's financial systems to let finance teams retrieve and analyze data, generate charts, and ask ad hoc questions. Early days there. Onto the views and analysis section now, and the world of compound startups was my focus in this slightly long thunk piece. So, compound startups being new companies that build accounting platforms, accounting suites with multiple products from the ground up. Will that be the future? Who knows? Want to read the piece and let me know. And also dipped into the world of country and western for my column on the hunt for authenticity in accounting software. Yeehaw! And what's next up? Second mention for Andreas and Horowitz here. And an interesting blog from David Haber here on how perhaps touching on, perhaps the most realistic proposition for AI and how AI can help us on a practical level. So it's talking about the messy inbox problem, receiving and sort of pulling out information from a messy inbox. They've used it in a health context, but I think that's applicable to accounting firm data as well. So interesting stuff there. And finally, a belated happy birthday to Microsoft Excel, which has just hit the big 4.0, released last day of September 1985, 4 decades ago. What a beaut. Slightly strange tribute article in the Times, which has an introduction to 40 years of Excel and then basically just goes through instances of people making mistakes using the software. Bit weird, but anyway. Hopefully, you'll make no mistake and sign up for my accounting technology email every Thursday. Just pop your email address in the box and hit the yellow button. If you're watching on the socials, please like, subscribe, or follow. And I will see you next week for some post budget action. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.